Hello, welcome back. New tutorial, and on this case we are going to review how to automate, because we already have the signals and what else we need. So we saw that we need an ATM, an account, and all these parameters I suggest not placing from here, from inside the input parameter. You can type and in the name of the ATM, but all that can be done from the toolbar. So if I want to automate those signals, I choose an ATM. For that I need to have the chart trader. Choose any ATM, click here, choose an account, click on the account button, and then I select a working mode. For example, if I want to execute all the long signals, I choose automatic and enable the longs. If I want to all the longs and all the shorts, I enable both buttons. And if for some reason I want to execute only the following short, then I choose semi-automatic and enable the shorts. So a long signal is ignored, but a short signal is executed and the button is auto-turned off. So it is not going to execute nothing until I click on a button again. We can see that we have also exit signals. Exit signals, short signal are all the same. I need to define which are the signals for entries and for exits. Here, on this case, we have fast signal for longs and for shorts, and the enable exits is turned off. And now we need another two signals. The signal can be the same for closing the longs and closing the shorts. But whatever I choose, it needs to be created or copied from another place. That will be everything. See you on next video.